This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can reset button customizations or restore default keybinds, button actions on this device. So in the beginning, of course, make sure that the RC and the drone are switched on, interconnected and what's not. Then in the DJI Fly app, go into the GoFly mode, or just open the flight controls, flight interface. Now launch settings, select the control category at the top, scroll down and look for the button customizations. Now, in order to restore default button actions, make sure that those buttons will perform whatever actions that were assigned to them on the factory. You'll need to look to your top right and locate the reset option or reset button. Then tap on it, confirm, and that's it. The button customizations have been reset successfully. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.